Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning how to create a new user and grant permission to that user in MySQL. So this tutorial will work for Windows as well as Ubuntu Linux machine. So we will be taking help from our website studygyan.com. We have written this blog and the blog link will be in description. So you can copy these commands and paste it in your terminal or command prompt. So let's start. First of all, you need to open your command prompt or terminal. Okay, once you open your command prompt and terminal, you need to log in into your MySQL. So this same command will work for Windows as well as Ubuntu machine or Mac machine. Okay, you need to type this command and hit enter. So guys, we have created one video on MySQL to reset password. Okay, if you have forgotten your password, you can take a look at this video. Okay, link will be in description. So once you enter the password, you will be inside the MySQL command prompt. Okay, now you need to create a user. Okay, for that you can use this command. So in here we will be replacing the username as well as the password. Okay, so let's create a user, create user, and here we will be giving as example user. Okay, at the rate localhost. So you can keep username as per your preference. Okay, identified by, and the password as per your preference also. Okay, so I am keeping it as password at the rate 123p capital. And once you have typed in this command, you need to hit enter, and this will create the user inside the MySQL. Okay, and if you see, it says query okay. Now we have successfully created the user. Now we can give permission to that user to on the databases. Okay, so let's say first of all, it says like granting permission. So in this, what we are going to do, we will be creating, like, we can use this command or this command. Okay, so basically in both of these command, let's say in first command, if you see this command, in this we are giving a specific privileges on SQL queries. Let's say on select and insert, or if we want to give a user on update or delete, we can replace with it. Okay, or if we want to create a user with all privileges, we can use this command. Okay, so I will be creating all privileges on for that user. So first of all, we need to identify on which database we need to give the privileges. Okay, first of all, you can create the database or you can show database. Let's say for now I will be creating all privileges for that user on tutorials database. Okay, so you can create as well as you can create also. Okay, now you need to type the command grant all privileges on database name. So replace this database name with tutorial. Okay, it will be different in your case. Then star dot star 2, and we need to give the username. So what we have created, this user, right? Example user. Okay, at the rate localhost. Okay, and once you have created this command, just enter, and this if you see here query okay, then you have successfully given the permissions or privileges to that user on that database. Okay, now let's say we have successfully done with here. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to flush privileges. Type this command so that all changes should be applied, and once this is applied, you can exit. Okay, so now if you want to enter inside the database, inside the MySQL with that user, first of all, we have created that user with example user. Okay, so instead of root, we can type that username here. Okay, and hit enter. It will ask for password, the same password you need to give here, which is the user which you have used while creating, and hit enter. So now if you see, I have entered inside my SQL prompt with this example user. Okay, so this is how you can create a user in MySQL and grant permissions on databases in Windows and as well as Ubuntu machine. So this same tutorial will work on Windows and Ubuntu machine. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please visit my website studygyan.com. You can have free certificates also here.